Scorpio, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Scorpio, ano yung energies for you, July 2025. July 2025. Okay. Ooh, there's love. Some of you may attract relationships if you're single. But if you are in a relationship, maaring you will have more time with your person. Or this is also about self-love. Love mo for yourself. You also have joy. So, maaring meron kang mga activities na gagawin na magiging masaya ka. Oo. Or this person, no? Pwedeng magdadala siya ng happiness sa'yo. Or pwede rin tong passion mo. Whatever your passion is, you will feel happy doing it, no? Masaya ka na ginagawa mo yon. Can be anything. Also, magpo-focus ka sa iyong kalusugan. So, maaring may kinalaman to sa pagkain, no? Food that you are eating. Yung iba naman, pwedeng exercise, doing exercises, or bumabalik ka sa iyong fitness program. Ayan, so you're going to focus on your health, your love, or whatever is bringing joy to your life. Ayan, so let's see what else. Scorpio, you have the Page of Cups. So this, meron talagang love. Oo, pwedeng this is a starting relationship. Pwedeng may nagsisimula na relationship for you. And also, this is your creativity, no? Creative talents, creative skills ninyo. You are exploring your opportunities, no? To try yung mga bagong bagay na matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero hindi mo siya nagagawa dahil meron kang ibang priorities. Ganun naman minsan hindi para sa iba kasi hindi siya practical gawin. Halimbawa may trabaho ka pero ang passion mo talaga is painting. Pero yung painting maaring hindi pa siya ganun ka-stable para sa iyo na mag-earn ka ng income, no? So, ngayon, I feel like you are starting to tap into your abilities, yung gifts mo, yung talents mo, at simulan, no, kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Ooh, you have the world. The world is about achievement. So, maaring meron ka ma-achieve. This can be an international achievement. Pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng business sa ibang bansa or magkakaroon ka ng client sa ibang bansa. Some of you naman maaring magkakaroon ng trabaho sa ibang bansa. So, you will be able to achieve yung mga personal goals mo pagdating sa career mo. You also have the lovers. Yung iba talaga sa inyo, Scorpio, papasok sa isang serious commitment. Oo. Serious commitment to. There's also caring energy here. I feel like whatever this relationship is, no, kung whether nagsisimula pa lang or nasa relationship ka na, this is genuine love. Like, yung talagang mahal nyo yung isa't isa. You care for each other. May mga energies dito like Libra, Taurus, kapareho nyo na water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have Gemini, we have Capricorn. And also, mas magiging productive ka. Oo. Mas magiging productive ka ngayong July. Marami kang mga gagawin, creative ideas, may fertility rin dito. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, magka-baby, no? Kung yan ay plano nyo, edi congratulations kasi malaking possibility na mangyari yan. If hindi nyo plano yan, so mag-ingat, 'di ba? Two of Cups talaga. Oh my God. So meron ka ng the Lovers, may Two of Cups ka pa. So this is, pwede rin tong business partnership for some of you if this is not related to your relationship. But for some of you, for most of you, pwedeng ito ay romantic connection, no? Pumapasok ka sa isang seryosong relationship, seryosong commitment. Yung iba sa inyo, ang inyong partner ay foreigner, or pwede ring long distance relationship. But I feel like you are really trying to make things work for this person. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Ooh. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong retreat na pupuntahan, which will focus on your spirituality, your awakening, yung iyong sense of self, no? Yung pag-focus mo rin sa sarili mo, self-reflection. Pwede rin tong physical journey talaga, like you will go to a place wherein meron kang i-fulfill na task, or meron kang kailangang, may goal ka na kailangang matapos, ma-accomplish in that specific place. Financial gain. Oh my God. Oh, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Wow. So, yung mga iba sa inyo na nag-invest sa, let's say, stock market, sa real estate, or any form of investment, maaring ngayon nyo na makukuha yung resulta, or makikita nyo na yung resulta ng inyong investment. Pwede rin naman tong mga pinaghirapan nyo, trinabaho nyo sa career nyo, sa business niyo, ngayon nyo na makikita yung resulta. May financial gain. Oh, plenty of material things. Ang ganda nito. So, yung iba sa inyo, magsha-shopping kayo ng bonggang-bongga ngayong July. You will be able to buy the things that you need and you want. Some of you are also going to deal or have a relationship with a man with a blonde hair or white hair. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, pwedeng foreigner, yung person that you are dealing with, or you are connecting with. Pwede rin tong boss ninyo o kaya client ninyo. A distant friend is thinking of you. So, meron kang kaibigan, no, na nasa malayo, na ikaw ay naaalala. Bakit ka kaya niya naaalala? Oo, maaring matagal ka hindi nagkikita. So, possible that you will also reconnect with this friend. Let's see sa money, career, finances. Kailangan mo daw ng backup plan, okay? Kasi maaring meron kang unexpected na financial na kailangan mong pagkagastusan ngayong July. Also, focus ka talaga sa goal mo. You want to hit the target, no? Meron kang target na gusto mong ma-achieve ngayong July sa career, sa finances mo, sa trabaho mo. Stay low-key as you get the job done. Ayan. So, ano lang, tahimik lang, no? You are working in silence, pero you are building great things for your career, for your business, for your finances. Let's see what else. You have the Ace of Swords, new beginning, new contracts, new agreements. You also have the Star. Wow, you are starting to achieve your goals and dreams. Merong wish fulfillment for you. Some of you, maaring maka-experience kayo ng losses, may mga bagay na mawala sa inyo, pero ang kapalit naman nun ay yung fulfillment ng inyong mga pangarap. Oo, minsan ganun na may mga bagay na nawawala sa atin, pero pinapalitan yun ni universe, pinapalitan yun ni God. Oo, kasi alam niya na meron pang mas dinideserve natin. Oo, so yung iba sa inyo, let's say mawala ng work, pero meron namang mas magandang opportunity na darating sa trabaho, sa career niyo, or mas makakapag-focus na kayo sa business nyo, at yung business nyo na yan ay magiging self-sufficient or talagang magiging very successful. Sa relationship, oh my God, may ex dito. Maaring yung iba sa inyo affected pa kayo ng person from your past. Oo. Maaring magbabalik itong person from the past. Syempre, kung kayong nakakaalam kung may chance ba to sa inyo, pwedeng nanggugulo, lalo na kung naka-move on na kayo. Pwedeng ayaw niya na mag-move on kayo, kaya guguluhin ka nila. Lalo na't nakikita niya na meron ng bagong person sa buhay mo. O, diba? Oh, you have the King of Swords. Pwedeng you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I feel like, hindi mo na to papansinin. Yes, tinan mo, the Hanged Man and the Tower. Wala, you're done with this person. Oo. Bumalik man siya sa'yo, tapos ka na sa kanya. Tapos na siya sa'yo. Ganon. So, wala ka nang pake sa kanya. Bahala na siya sa buhay niya. And you might be finalizing yung pagtanggal mo sa buhay. Pagtanggal mo sa niya, ano ba? Yung tatanggalin mo siya sa buhay mo, ganun. You are cutting off the connection sa person na to. Because there's someone new na eh. Meron ng bagong person sa buhay mo. And you deserve love. 'Di ba? Take control of your own narrative. Yes. So, hindi mo na hayaan na ikaw ay ma-impluwensyahan, maapektuhan ng ibang tao. You will focus on what you really believe in, ano talaga yung paniniwala mo, ano yung standing mo, ano talaga yung prinsipyo mo sa buhay. You are going to be in control of your own narrative. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much and see you again.